Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I am so happy that you are here for a haul. It is my Sephora day haul, or Sephora sale haul, not a day, it's a whole thing. So this is most of my order. I did put in a second order because they had a good sample that I wanted to get. So I did pick up a couple things from the Sephora collection. I'm going to just include those in a future Bath & Body Works haul because they are candles, and you'll see the sample eventually as well. I'm going to put it in a sample Saturday coming up here pretty quick. So anyway, this is most of what I got. I do want to give you a heads up that one of the things that I got is broken. So I do have a replacement too. If this is your first time, please do consider subscribing. Don't forget to give this a like, no matter if this is your first or your 40th video or somewhere even higher than that. And then don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know what you got in the Sephora sale haul. That was a tongue twister. And what you think of what I picked up. So I did pick up two things from Kohl's because I forgot that Kohl's, like, I can use my credit card and put it off just a little bit. So that's what I did on a couple things. But there's only two things that were on my list of things that I wanted to get that were available at Sephora and Kohl's. They do ship a little bit faster, I feel like I got these the day before the rest of my Sephora order. So, and I did order them like the next day, I think. I can't remember. Anyway, that is an option as well. So what I picked up was the set of candles from VOLUSPA. This is the mini tin candle trio, and you have Kalahari watermelon, Tahitian coconut vanilla, which is an exclusive for Sephora, and then the Havana mint mojito, which is also exclusive for Sephora. So these are just the minis. This was $28 minus the 20%. So that's what the candle looks like. This smells really good. I want to say it has like a little bit of mintiness to it, and I don't think it's because I can smell the mojito down below. I feel like there's just a little bit of like sour mintiness in there as well. I can't wait to burn these. I am going to burn these this weekend. So you're going to see this on Monday, which is the last day of the sale. And I might try to put in for a full size of one or two of these because they are super expensive normally. This is the Tahitian coconut vanilla. It smells really good. It's a little bit more green coconutty than vanilla, but it's nice too. And they do have like little dividers in here so that they don't get scratched, which I really appreciated. This set itself is an exclusive for Sephora as well. All right, the last one is the Havana mint mojito. And this one is definitely, I'm not really getting a lot of the lime in there. I'm just getting like a straight mint. It's very refreshing, very clean, and I'm excited to try all of those. So that is my first item. The next thing I picked up is from Glow Recipe. I was watching all of the Sephora sale hauls or recommendations, and I was like, oh wait, Glow Recipe. I love this stuff. I've been trying to use a different couple face mists, and I'm not liking either one of them. I don't really like the scent on either one of them. The one has too aggressive of a sprayer, and the other one, the sprayer is like such a fine mist that I feel like I don't really get it on my face that much. And it's a little wonky. There's something off on it too. So I decided to get this one, and I feel like this looks like it's turning a little bit. It doesn't look as pretty as the first time I got it, so I'm not sure. It smells fine when I haven't sprayed it yet, but I think it'll be okay. And I did go through my other two containers of this quite quickly, so I feel like I can get through this before it does turn bad. And I definitely want to pick up another one of these the next sale. I'm going to have to find another sale because I don't think this is going to last me till November. Okay, let's talk perfume, because you know this is the majority of my haul is going to be, well, I mean, you already saw the candles, but we also have more fragrance. So I picked up the Sephora Favorites set. This one, I don't usually go for the mini ones because they're not as good of a deal, I feel, as the other ones. You don't get as big of a discount. But there are a couple reasons why I decided to get this one. So here we have 6 mini bottles in here. Not all of them look exactly like the perfumes. And then, yeah, let me open this. So the packaging itself is pretty. I do like the packaging. And then we have in here, this is what it looks like. All right, so we have a little booklet that tells you about each one of the, it doesn't really tell you, it just lets you, here we go. Maybe I should look before I speak. So it has the perfume and my thoughts, and then it tells you about the perfume on the other side. And then you have your scent certificate that you can now redeem online. I just redeemed my first one online last night, so that will be coming up in a perfume haul. You'll have to see what I redeemed, not from this set, but from an earlier set. All right, so in terms of fragrances, we have Chloe All Natural. I'm just gonna give this one a quick sniff because I have not smelled this perfume before. That's really pretty. And the only problem is it doesn't say like Au Naturel on it or anything. So this is going to look very much like the full size, or I mean like the original, which makes me nervous because I know I have extras of that one. And I need to figure out a way, I need to like put a sticker on the bottom of it or something so that I know that this is natural. Then we have Gucci Flora Gorgeous Gardenia, not Gucci Guilty. I love Gucci Guilty. I've done a whole video on Gucci Guilty. Then we have this one, which is Dylan Turquoise. I do have minis of this before. This is not one that I want to redeem for, but I might actually just use that mini up. I enjoyed the scent. It's not my favorite though. Then we have Clean Reserve, which is Skin. I'm not the biggest fan of that scent. I've tried that scent in the past and I'm just not a big fan of it. Then we have Black Opium by YSL. That's a nice size sample. Not one that I need because I already have 2 bottles of it. Then we have Nest Golden Nectar. This is the one that I was planning to redeem for, so that's why I was like, you know what? I know I'm going to get this. It's $3 more. Might as well get this set, get the discount, and get the mini bottles. Oh, it's very pretty. Let's get out that little thing, see what the notes are. So it says it's golden orchid, suede amber, vanilla, and musk. But I swear it has like a almost, maybe not quite a pear note, but it smells like there is something very fruity in there too. And I don't get, that's not listed. The real reason I wanted this though is for this guy right here. This is Atelier Cologne. Let's see if it tells you anything about it. It does not. Oh, that's sad. So if you don't know, Atelier colognes are no longer being sold in the US or Canada. They pulled out of the North American market. And just after they announced that they were pulling out of the North American market, they put out Bohemian Orange Blossom. And I was so excited about this one and then just crushed that I couldn't get it because it wouldn't be available here. And it might eventually hit the gray market sites if they're like imported, but it's not going to be readily available. And I actually don't know if I've seen any Atelier colognes on the gray market sites. I haven't ever looked for them though. Ooh. This is very, very green. Like it's a stark greenness to it. Kind of sharp a little bit. It kind of reminds me of like tomato plants. That type of green note to it. It's very refreshing. I'm not getting anything sweet in it yet, but I'm going to let it develop and hopefully I'll remember by the time I finish this haul to come back to it. I picked up another sample Sephora favorite set because I thought this would be a good one as well. So this is the Sephora favorites. This is, what is this? It doesn't say like what's special about this. It also comes with a certificate so that you can redeem one of these for a full size. I'm not going to pull out there because they're just the samples in here. But the ones that you could redeem for are a rollerball of Nest Sunkissed Hibiscus, which is really nice. I do have that one. I do enjoy it. We have Replica Beach Walk, which is a good one. I have a sample size of it, and it is one that I really enjoy as well. Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue, that's a good one. You know, kind of your everyday, it's kind of famous. A lot of people have smelled it. Valentino Donna Born in Roma Yellow Dream. This one is nice. This one is super citrusy, but I do like that one, but not as much as Juliet Has a Gun. This one is Pear Ink, if I remember right. Yes, Pear Ink. It is like this mostly pear, but with a musk to it. It's so good. I've been so addicted to it this past few months. Then we have Salt from Ellis Brooklyn. And then this is the one that I was most excited about, which is Floral Street Arizona Bloom. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to get it for that because I've wanted to smell Arizona Bloom. And if I don't like it, I can redeem for like the replica or light blue because I know that I like those, but they're not ones that I would normally just purchase. So here we have Arizona Bloom. I'm not going to smell it yet because I have that other perfume on my hand and I want to let that one develop and that be my overarching scent for right now. As always, I got a couple samples with Sephora, and at this time of the year, you can't really tell if they're going to send you the correct samples or not. So you kind of cross your fingers and hope that they send you the ones that you asked for. They sent me one that I asked for, but the other one, it was not one that I asked for, unfortunately. So first up is from Pat McGrath. I did not realize what these were. This is the Matte Tracks lipstick. What you do is you like peel this off and fold it, and then it's like one application of lipstick that you kind of press your lips into. So they did send two, which is nice because I thought it was going to be like one of those little blister packs kind of thing. The other one was the one that I did not ask for. I had asked for Mugler Alien Goddess just because I thought I would take an extra spray of that because it's just like an everyday scent that you could throw in your purse really easily and top up. They sent me instead Libre by YSL, and this is the EDT. I don't know if this one has lavender in it, but I know the original one gives me a terrible headache because it has all of the lavender in it, and lavender gives me headaches. So this one I'm going to be passing along. Picked up one serum. This came out and I was like, oh man, I really want to try it. Do I need any more serums? No, because if you've watched my Project Pan for skincare, I have more than enough serums. But I'm going to try this one because I'm almost out of the one, and so this is just going to replace that one. This is the Glow Recipe Strawberry Smooth BHA and AHA Salicylic Serum. I'm very excited about this. It looks super cute. It looks kind of like a strawberry, has like the little dimples like a strawberry, and the packaging is super cute too. I did not purchase this, but this was thrown in, and yeah, so I need to email them about this. This is Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. I don't think they're gonna want it back after having sent it, even though it does have like the plastic seal on it, but that was mistakenly put in my purchase. All right, we have one final perfume. This is from Jo Malone. I was so hoping that this would last until the sale because this was one that I had wanted, and I had wanted to get this last year and I just never got around to it, and it was in the limited edition packaging last year as well, and I decided I would get it in the limited edition packaging this year. It's not quite as cute, but I do have another one in this packaging, so I thought I'll have two, and then, but yeah, I should have gotten it in the jam jar one. This is Jo Malone London Rose Blush Cologne. Very pretty, very simple, you know, just a little bit prettier, girlier than the original Jo Malone packaging. I'm gonna give it a quick spritz. Yeah, it's just a lovely, sweet, floral, you know, rose, but like more sweet than normal. So I am glad that I picked that one up, and when I looked last, it was sold out. I don't know if they're going to get any more of it back in because it is limited edition, but Sephora was the only place that I saw it listed when I was searching a couple weeks ago. All right, last thing, this is my broken thing. This is GXVE. This is Gwen Stefani's newest line, and if you have heard me talk, you probably have heard how much I love Gwen Stefani. So I was really excited to get some of her makeup. And then her line, I was like, man, there's a lot of stuff that I wouldn't use. And I was good, because normally I would just buy all of it and keep it just for display. But I thought, you know what, I'm not going to do that, because this is not limited edition. This is supposed to be her line. She's going to do future releases. So she did like a brow set. I don't do brow stuff. She did eyeliners. I don't use eyeliner. She did red lipsticks. I was tempted to get the matte red lipstick, but I have not. I might purchase it down the road, but I'm really hoping she puts out some other colors, because she put out a liquid lipstick, a satin lipstick, and a matte lipstick all in the same shade of red, which is her signature color, but it's just not, like, I have kind of a red on, but I don't normally go for this color. So yeah, then there was like a face oil serum, not my thing. I have oily combo skin, so I'm not going to be putting on a face oil before I do my makeup. And then finally she put out some eyeshadow palette. So I picked up Just a Girl because it was the one that looked like the colors that I would most likely wear. And when I took the packing out last night, I was like, oh no. This I could see that there was shimmer in the package. So then I opened the only makeup that I purchased. The packaging is very cute, very kind of simplistic. You probably can see that there's, you know, eyeshadow all over it. It's a stiff open. So if you don't have nails, you need like a butter knife to open this thing. So my two shimmer shades are completely destroyed. And then it has the two mattes on this side. I did email them. I forgot about the polish choice because I was just like, on this. So I'm going to contact them again and just say, you know, I was looking through my box. I saw that you added something in there. So I'm not going to swatch that or anything because that is such a mess. Oh my gosh. Stuff all over me now. But yeah, hopefully the next one that I get will not arrive broken. It's not one that I can even really take into store and exchange because this palette is not in either of the two stores that I have around me. So that is it for my Sephora sale haul. Let me know what your thoughts were. Did you pick up anything from the sale? Oh, let's smell that. Yeah, it's still very, very green. Not quite as tomatoey, but like still like a very like verdant type of a scent. I kind of like it. I wonder, like, it definitely would be one that I'd want to wear in warmer weather, like summer, maybe spring. Might be too much in summer. I don't know. Let me know if you have tried it and what your thoughts are on it. All right, so let me know how you are doing. Let me know what you purchased in the Sephora sale. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time.